What animal is this? Hmm, well, let's figure it out. I think it's a fish, but look here. Fish have many seams on their bottom jaw because it's made up of many bones fused together. But this jaw is smooth, so it's not a fish. It's a mammal. Notice here, some animals have a big tooth gap, but here's a large canine tooth. A smaller skull with a canine tooth like this is either a skunk, weasel, or opossum. Let's pick up the top jaw and look towards the front. Notice how many teeth there are. There are 10 front teeth total. Usually mammals have around 4. Okay, well, it's all coming together. If an animal has a small skull with a smooth jaw, a sharp canine tooth, and 10 upper front teeth, that means that it's an opossum.